Behind me right now is called Shark Hole Trail. Apparently there's meant to be actual section of water called Shark Hole. I wonder if there actually might be sharks, hence the name of it, or it's just like a little crater thing. This 4.5 kilometers out and back trail near Pinny Beach is generally considered a moderately challenging route. Great trail for hiking, running, and bird watching. Shark Hole is sizable protected ocean, inlet encircled by steep cliffs. The ladder shown earlier is a way down to get a closer look of the crater length section of the location.